It's Easter morning, April 8, 2012. The sun is rising quickly over the city of St. Paul. And here we are on this Easter morn, looking at the beautiful yellow flowered magnolia tree, known as the golden star orchid. Magnolia. It's a beautiful sunshiny morning here, a beautiful Eastern morning. This tree is full of new life for the new year. Each blossom is so gently fragrant, with a scent that is hard to describe. Some of the blooms are more open than others. Some, on this cold sunny morning, it got down to 34 degrees Fahrenheit last night, will open up as the morning progresses and the warmth comes out on this Easter morn. So enjoy the beautiful magnolia as you may, and enjoy this Easter morn. Listen to the birds sing. The doves are all asleep in their nests.